Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone had a happy new year. So today we're going to be installing these Lasfit LED high beam bulbs, which are going to go right in there to replace the factory halogens on the Accord 2.0 Sport as well as the 1.5 Sport. They'll all be the same size. The Touring already has full LEDs. If you have it, you already know that. If you don't, this is what you're going to need. So I'm going to do a quick little unboxing so you can see what it is. And I'm going to show you how to do the passenger side, which is the hardest side to do, because this side right here, there's nothing to do. You just twist the bulb out and insert it. This one, you got to pull the little filler neck out. Very easy to do, but I'll show you how that's done. So let me do a little unboxing, and then I'll show you how to put them in. I'll show you before and afters. Here we go. These are lights. Direct plug and play. These are 9005, which is the size. That's what the bulb looks like. Big heat sink with built-in fan, and plugs into your factory harness. That's pretty much it. Very simple stuff, goes right in, no modifications. The only tool you'll need is like a trim tool like this to take this piece out, and that's it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and then I'll show you a before and after from left side to right side. And then I'll show you some night video on how they actually illuminate the road. Okay, so first things first, you're going to remove this little piece. I already loosened it for the purpose of the video, just to make my life a little easy. Pop the pin out, put it in my pocket, and this filler neck here, all you're going to do is just lift up and out, like so. I'm going to pull the camera around so you can see what it looks like on the other end. So all you're going to do, if you look down in there, the neck goes there, you're going to just pull it out. It feeds right in. You're going to have full access to your bulb. The bulb is right there. It's that blue socket. So if you're looking at the front of the car, you pull the piece out right here. It's the one with the blue right there, where it's all cleared up. You're going to twist the housing this way toward the driver's side, or the bulb rather, the socket. Once you twist it that way, the bulb's going to pop right out. Now the bulb is out. That's simple. I'm going to swap it out and I'm going to show you the difference. So for any other install, I'm going to squeeze right here, pop it out. Going to get your new bulb. There's your little tab. That's going to feed in as well. Before I put it in, I'm going to make sure it's working. Alright, so my first attempt didn't work. They didn't turn on because these are polarity sensitive. So if you plug it in this way and it doesn't turn on, flip the plug and click it in. That's all you got to do. Just turn it 180 degrees. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when it turns on. The bulb is working. I'm going to install it, and I'll show you the difference between both sides during the day, and then I'll show you some night videos as well. Now what I also wanted to go over with you is the beam pattern. Make sure the bulb is facing up and down so the LEDs point left to right, not up and down. That way you get a wider beam pattern. If you look, see that bar right there? It goes up and down vertically, not that way. That's how you get a better beam pattern. If I can give one tip about installing these bulbs, install the bulb any way you can. Make sure you line the prongs up. You turn, even if the bulb is not the right direction, it's like this. Once this piece is tight, you can pull the bulb out. See? Like so. This is still locked in the headlight housing, and then you can set your bulb the direction you want it. So then you just push it all the way in, and it'll firmly go in, like so. Then the bulb is in the right position, and this is locked where you want it. So it's fully adjustable. So that's the best way to do it. So now these are your OEM high beams. This is what they look like against the headlights. very yellow. Decently bright though. And then I'm going to show you the difference with the Lasfits. So now these are the Lasfit high beams. What a big difference from the other high beams. And they match the headlights. So I'm going to go around to the front, show you the difference. Wow. These things are crazy. Match the headlights. Pretty much perfect. Pretty much perfect. So I'm going to get in there. Super bright. 30 watts per bulb. 60 watts total. That light output is amazing. Great match as well. These are the 9005 Lasfit high beams. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'd appreciate it. I can also offer you a 10% discount from Lasfit's website. I'll put the link in the description. So if there's actually a better promotion than 10%, you can use that coupon code. But if there's not, my coupon code is always good for 10% on anything site-wide. They sell more than just bulbs. So these are the 9005 high beam bulbs. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care.